Technical analysis is the study of market price action, mainly through using charts to try and predict future market direction. The fundamental analyst studies the reason for market movement, such as profit warnings, new contracts, and director buys. But a technical analyst studies the effect of the market movement. Trading IQ has more detailed information on technical analysis. But let's have a quick look at how technical analysts can use charts to decide how to trade. To select a chart for analysis, click on the Research Center tab and then on the charting icon here. Then select an instrument that you would like to chart and select the type of chart you want to analyze. We'll start with candlestick charts. Some new traders will have only ever looked at a normal line chart when checking the price of an instrument over a period of time. A line chart contains just two pieces of information, the opening and closing price with a line joining the 2 points. A candlestick chart, however, gives you 4 pieces of information, the opening and closing prices and the highest and lowest points. Each of the coloured bars represents the opening and closing points at a time in the life of your chosen instrument. Green means that it has gone up higher since the previous bar, and red indicates that it has gone down. You'll see that there are thin lines called wicks at the top and bottom of each of the coloured bars. These represent the highest and lowest points that the instrument has reached during your chosen time frame. These wicks can give you insight into important turning points where the price has started to recover. The levels would not be clearly seen in a normal line chart because it only plots the opening and closing points. These high and low levels are potentially important, and you could very easily miss out on them if not for the candlestick charting. One of the simplest forms of technical analysis, but arguably also one of the most important, is support and resistance. A support level is an area lower than the current price, where the buying is strong enough to overcome the selling pressure, creating a trough or low. For example, if a price drops to 150, then bounces up to 170 regularly, it is likely that if it drops to 150, it could bounce back again. A resistance level is an area higher than the current price where the selling is strong enough to overcome the buying pressure, creating a peak or a high. For example, if a price keeps on hitting £6, then falling back down again repeatedly, it is likely if it reaches £6 again, it could fall back down again. An advantage of trading with support levels is that you have a reason for setting your stop loss at your given point. You know that if your support level is breached, the price could end up going much lower, so you can set your stop losses far more accurately. A trend line is a sloping line that shows support or resistance. Before, we were just looking at horizontal lines, but you can also have diagonal levels. This is British American tobacco trading with a very clear upwards trend line. You would buy each time it comes close to the support level with your stop loss just below. As long as the trend line is not broken by more than a limit you have chosen, you would expect this to continue to increase in value. As well as upwards trends, you can also look for downwards trends. With these, you would stay short as long as the resistance level remains unbroken. Trading IQ has lots of information to help get you started as a technical analyst. This is the end of the DVD modules, but hopefully it's just the beginning of your trading future. For starters, there is another module in Trading IQ to help you formulate your own trading plan, important for anybody wishing to trade effectively. Added to that, there is a further advanced module covering technical indicators. And don't forget, we run courses to help you at every step of your trading journey. The only limits to your trading future will be the ones you set yourself, and we want to be there to support you as far as you want to go. I hope you've enjoyed watching this DVD and that it has helped you to better understand spread betting. Take some time to read through Trading IQ in more detail, and remember, it is our goal to make you an educated trader.